girl, Madge. Good girl. Yay. Pick it up then. Good girl. No. Hey, she's got the stick. Clever girl. Yay. Wow. Oh, where's another stick? Here. Oh, Kai. Here's one. Ah, it's hush. Here, Madge. Go on, Madge. Good girl. I wonder why this boy isn't swimming so much today. Go on, Ted. Oh, where is it? Ah, Taz has got hold of one end of the stick. Wow, look at Madge. Madge, you've got wet ears and everything. Why do... She won't stay out of the water now. You're so clever. Yeah. Oh, for God's sake, you two. Oh, look at Madge. Here on, Madge. Here, look. Ready? Have you got a stick there? Good girl. Oh. No, that's the tree, Madge. Oh, what a clever girl. She's still moaning while she's swimming. Huh? I don't know. She's eating a stick. Clever girl, Madge. Oh, she's desperate to find a stick. Hang on. Hi. Bring it here, please. Good girl. Oh. Who is? What you doing, Taz? Tazzy, let me have it for Madge. No, Taz! You sod! Ready? Oh, Madge, do stop the noise. Yay! Oh.